Bold.
What the fuck?
Hey, welcome back to another episode of Spigot plugin development. Now we are at episode 3. So we are going to be talking about listeners. So what are listeners? So listeners are basically just events that happen within the server. So it can be the player moving, it can be the player breaking a block, placing a block, moving, and all sorts of stuff, attacking a mob. And yes, all the things that you can do within the server, it's being listened to. So first of all, we're gonna go call this .get server .get plugin manager .register events. You need to make your class implement listeners, or else the register events won't really agree to what you're doing. So we are gonna go with this. If you remove implements listener, that means you cannot really do this. But for every class that needs an event, you need to have implements listener. So now, once you have done that, you can actually now specify the event that you want. But first of all, we need the at event handler annotation so that we can specify that it is an actual event. And we can do public void. We are gonna go with the on block break event. So when a player breaks a block. So on block break, we can name this whatever you want. What's important here is the event, so which is block break event. We're gonna call this event, and now in here you can actually manipulate it in any way you want. So if you do event dot, you can get the player that broke the block. You can get the block that has been destroyed. You can cancel the event. So basically, if the player breaks the block, it won't actually break because it will cancel the event. So for now, we are gonna be doing the functionality where when we break the block, it will tell you what block it is on the chat. So with that, we can do player equals event.get player right over there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and import that. We can do send message. We can do you have broke the block, and we are going to be specifying what block it is. So at this point, we can do event.getBlock. We can do getType.name. When we break a block on the server, it'll say you have broke the block, and it will tell us the block that I have broke. So we are going to be building this, and I'll see you guys on Minecraft. Okay, so now we are at Minecraft. I'm just going to go ahead and reload the server since I have the plugin there now. So now if we try to break a block, you can see right over there, you have broke the block oak stairs. And if we break whatever you want, as you can probably tell, it is saying that I broke that specific block. So really interesting. You can really manipulate this if you want to cancel events. So if you don't want to break the block whatsoever, you can just cancel this. So you can do event set canceled true. We are gonna go package that, and we are gonna be putting it to Minecraft. So now if you break the block, we can't actually break the block because it's being canceled. But as you can probably tell, you can manipulate it in any way that you want. It's pretty fun to play around with because it has a lot of events, not just block break event. You can also do player. You can see empty bucket event, entity event. You can also do entity. Yeah, there's like a lot of things that you can do with the listeners. So yeah, feel free to do anything that you want. Yeah, experiment around and see what you can do with listeners. It's really fun to play around with. Yeah, that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna be releasing more episodes soon, but there's gonna be an upcoming video of mine. I may have just teased it quite a bit. It's right over there. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that, and yeah, that's gonna be it. Yeah, see ya.